How to fix SoundCloud loading error. So if you want to fix the SoundCloud loading error, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your SoundCloud, tap and hold on to that SoundCloud application, go with the app info. Now under your app info, you need to go with notifications and make sure that you allow the notifications, and go with permissions, and under permissions make sure that you allow the permissions, and you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache and also clear storage. Once you tap on clear storage, then your login information will be removed or deleted, and you just need to simply go and log in again, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and just go with your Play Store and tap on search. Under search, you need to search for SoundCloud, and here if you have any updates under your SoundCloud, then you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then check your internet connection and connect to a VPN service, any VPN that you have. So you just need to simply go and connect to a VPN. Once you've connected, then you will fix your loading error. And at last, you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix SoundCloud loading error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.